Hi, my name is Carl James, owner of Creole Soul Catering located in Round Rock, Texas, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to show you a Creole potato salad. Okay, let's look at our ingredients for our Creole style potato salad. Basically, we're going to use potatoes, and of course we're going to boil those, and we're going to get them really soft so we can get those creamy. We're going to use some boiled eggs, some onion, just a little bit of green onion, and a little bit of celery. Now the celery, we're going to dice that up really small. Season that with some salt, some pepper, and just a little bit of parsley flakes just for color. We're going to use a little of mayo sandwich bread, but this is going to be based heavily on the mustard so we can get that yellow color. And like I say, it's more of a mustard type of potato salad. So anyway, that's our ingredients. Let's get started.